all hangi sama kungamsa yan thari de nga downtown Vancouver la le de ani thanda thari de city of Vancouver gi khudi shuche ani music and arts festival ka event so do sonza de lang jo nubjam phimi rishun sobe ani thapde na re ani phebe rishun thapde na re sonza ha nga ta 야, 나 제가 너 혼자 가봐, 너. 다 비게 자리나 쉬우샤. 답이야서 고도규래샤 비게 스테이지 비게 통도와. 시티 오브 밴쿠버기 구린나베 디엔데 아세 뮤직 페스티벌 이벤트와. 어디로 가나서 기디 고갑디라 샤페 야고래. 자리나 쉬우샤 뒤에 다다라 지었습니다. 터치래 야 당연히 도지나 다들이 사와기라 약도 그저 배 항상 그걸 여다 약 타벨을 내려 요마네 니 보상이 땡큐 야 장가준 부장 패밀리 신섭에 아침이라다 땡삼라 셰야 보십시오 야, 내 부중.
And boy, do we have a great treat for you here today as well. The Northwest Tibetan Cultural Association is dedicated to preserving, promoting, and sharing Tibetan culture, traditions, language, and values within the Pacific Northwest community. Their goal is to encourage cultural appreciation, strengthen community connections, and pass Tibetan heritage on to future generations while promoting values of peace, compassion, kindness, and unity. And I'm going to give you a heads up, if you are in this front area here, the performance is reaching its way down into the audience here, so there is going to be a big portion of the performance directly in front of the stage here. So you might want to just spread out a little bit if you're directly in front of the stage here. But please join me in welcoming the Northwest Tibetan Cultural Association to the stage.
Good afternoon, Vancouver. How's everybody doing today? Beautiful, beautiful day. A little hot, but I'm sure you will enjoy this performance from NWTCA we're bringing today at the Vancouver Art and Music Festival. On behalf of City of Vancouver and Northwest Tibetan Culture Association, NWTCA, would like to welcome you all today at the Vancouver Art and Culture Music Festival. I would like to extend our gratitude to the City of Vancouver for inviting us and letting us be part of this beautiful art and music festival. So in this dance, we will be showing how we make butter. The dance comes from the high grasslands of Tibet, where nomads celebrate life in harmony with nature and the herds. Tibetan nomadic pastoralists are the beating heart of the high plateau, a living testament to resilience, enduring to generation in gentle harmony with wild, unforgiving elements.
shoya.
Ta apa rotan rogoli rite ta minsan lo tu chucha pimu naliri ta mita guda suda sena ama tinjeran ta saria ma
Ya, kame ne jocho.
ya ma
Ya kore tujo. Ando de kana soena. Ya kore tujo.
마음이기도 하지.
ina pagar king la boga cheese se to not long nap len
ro ta chibu dinda cha cha no le la ba guli ri ya
oh so asale o tumio o tagi hai asale oh so ni mate oi ni mangu ki sande su mate ya sanga mani la na ni ta te ya apa ta ama tinje ye no le la pani tata chiti so oh my gosh very strong kick man
ta to ju ju le ga
apa tinje ta ropa cinema to rakat sida ya
ya
no maso su de ke
ya check it
shit very strong smell man yeah okay Ona ja przecież ma to cię.
ya ta tu ro
Ja, was ist jetzt da?
ta tu mon de ora ya bo josh ama mar so de ya
Da aber du just to na mare da ya.
apa ni kyu
Nighttime. You take a picture of that. You can do everything.
Awesome music.
ta de ta lo tsaga san le kin mar inda ya bo to sta chu kunjo le ya bo chi choba chi pyo da
Yeah.
ya tu san de le mar ya ga de tön si
Ja. Ja, ja.
Ya kore tunjo.
Ja, ma tinje da chi da ya.
아 노래라 야 자가야 사지다 추가야 사지는 티쇼야
Ya, da aber tinje di bitina mare be ya.
Dancing comes from Uzang region, where it starts slowly and picks up into the tap dance style. Hope you all enjoy it, and all our performers are our little kids from Sunday school. Please welcome them on the stage with a round of applause. Usually rapper dance is a street dance, street entertainment. But this rapper dance is a tribute to the yogi, to Milarepa, cleansing the three doors of negativity, Lu, Nga, and Yi. In your mind that bothers you, fill it with the positive. Let's imagine this, all these three cleanse our body, speech, and mind with rapper dance.
music, the singing is you go follow with the rhythm and music. And we usually goes always in a voice. So music follows the voice. It's called a lu, and usually we always sing in the summertime because we say whole animal join together, beautiful summer join together. So it's called lu, and my friend is going to help me to the Tibetan drum.
Guys, come on, join us. Guys, come on, guys, join us. Circle dance, come on. Ya mo tie tie o li la ya mo la so li la ya mo la
Vancouver, welcome to the Vancouver Arts and Music Festival, the afternoon of our third and final day. We're so glad you're here. Some upcoming performances to keep an eye out for.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
야야 어떤 소리 좋아해? 야야야 뭐라고 하면 좋아.
So, I'm in weather today.
Very good. Yes, go on.